Getting started on my personal transformation. What else in your life will improve when you get your goal? Now notice the question I'm asking. I'm saying what else, that is what other things will improve. And I'm also saying what else will. So I'm implying that other things in your life will improve when you achieve this goal, which is very different from if I was saying to you, oh, what you think when you get this thing, that you're going for, do you think it make any difference in any other way? I'm not saying it like that. I'm saying what else and what will. Now, change is systemic. We are a system. We are a mind, body, spirit system. And one change in a part of us will affect all the other parts of us. We know that. We also know that a change in us will make a difference in our families, our communities, our environment, and our world. So one change will affect change in other parts of the world. One person I worked with recently had a problem with being a little bit late. And I mean a little bit late, not hours late, but she tended to be a little bit late. And when we discussed what else would be affected if she were to start to be on time, she said, my relationship with my husband, possibly more than anything, would improve. Because for so many years he's been waiting for me and he doesn't like waiting. And then there's my children. I mean, they don't like waiting either, but there was that one time that was really awful when we were so late that my daughter was late to school. And that was terrible because she had to come in front of the whole class and she was really embarrassed. So that's my husband, my family. My friends hate me being late. They've kind of got used to it and they don't refer to it very much, but they hate it. Another thing is I'm usually a bit late at work, which means that I arrive in an apologetic state, apologising for being late, and I think possibly people think of me as a bit casual and a bit unprofessional, which actually I'm not. So they're getting the wrong idea about me by that behaviour. If I were on time, they'd get what is actually a more accurate idea of me. And because other people will notice these things, it's perfectly possible that they will notice changes in you before you do. So they maybe notice a change which is a byproduct of something that you're going for, but maybe they notice it. Maybe they don't even comment on it, but they may notice it before you do. So what I've been talking about today is about getting started on your personal transformation. What else will occur? Change is systemic. How will it be for other people? And maybe they will notice change before you do.